In this video, we want to find the value of c for a probability density function. Here we're given f of x equals c over 1 plus x squared. This is also known as the Cauchy distribution. So we know that for a probability density function, it must satisfy the condition that it's non-negative. That means that f of x has to be greater than or equal to 0 for all x, and that the integral over the domain must equal 1. So let's look at the normalization condition. So let's take the integral from negative infinity to positive infinity of c over 1 plus x squared dx. We want that to equal 1. So what we're going to do is factor out the c since it's a constant, and then we're going to evaluate the integral. You can show how this integrates to pi by first splitting this up into two integrals, let's say from negative infinity to 0, and then from 0 to infinity. Now, if we integrate 1 over 1 plus x squared is just inverse tangent of x, and then we're going to go from negative infinity to 0, and then positive infinity, or 0 to positive infinity. Technically, you need a limit. So first we look at the inverse tangent of 0. That's just going to be 0. And then as x approaches negative infinity, inverse tangent of x approaches negative pi over 2. And now as x approaches positive infinity, inverse tangent of x approaches pi over 2. And we plug in 0, we get 0. So the two negatives here is going to make a positive. Pi over 2 plus pi over 2 is just going to equal pi. So that's why this integral is equal to pi. And so in order for the integral, c times this integral to equal 1, we need c to be 1 over pi. And so that's going to be the value of c. That makes f of x a probability density function.